Police are on the hunt for two suspects in connection with the murder of one Omeka Myrthong, whose mutilated body was found in Umiam recently. DIG Eastern Range Meghalaya Davis N. R. Marak told reporters at a press conference on Friday that two suspects who were last seen with the victim are absconding. He informed that a missing report was filed on March 3rd, while the person was last seen on February 26th.
Once we have got to know about this case, now this zero FIR was initially registered after this unnatural death has been established. So once this case is registered, Umiam Lake police station will take it up because that zero FIR has been registered and is transferred to Umiam Lake police station. As of now, however, unfortunately, those two suspects who were last seen with the victim, they are absconding as of now. So we are trying our best to find them.